This is Jill McKeough, and I'm delighted to wish the ALRC happy birthday on the 40th anniversary. I've always been a great admirer of the Australian Law Reform Commission, and I'm delighted to have had the opportunity to be a commissioner. It's not something I thought would happen, but it was wonderful to be invited by Ros Croucher to become the commissioner for the Digital Economy and Copyright Inquiry, which took place over 2012 to 2013. In that inquiry, I was only the second commissioner to be appointed for one particular reference. Previously, most commissioners had stayed for a period of years. And when I was here, we had the biggest advisory committee of any inquiry to date. It was such a complex reference. There were so many stakeholders that we looked far and wide for people to represent all points of view and to advise us from all points of view. The terms of reference were very complex. It took us quite a while to work out what was being asked, but I was very impressed with the process that Ros had set up to bring in stakeholders, to get everyone's opinion, but also the depth of research that went on, so that ultimately the report that's produced at the end is an independent document that the ALRC has worked on, albeit with a lot of community input. A lot of the inquiries that are conducted by the ALRC are very important to Australia's economy, as well as being about social justice. For example, when I got here, one of the inquiries was about age barriers to work, and this has now become one of the most important documents for politicians when they consider the latest intergeneration report. So thank you for the opportunity of having been a commissioner, and I'm sure that one day the Copyright Law Review report will be implemented, but we might have to wait a little while. The ALRC doesn't work on low-hanging fruit. It does in-depth inquiries into matters of national significance, and it may take a while for people to think about the recommendations.